Jungkook, the youngest member of the boy group BTS known by the nickname Golden Magne, probably never imagined that his family name would be involved in such a huge legal controversy. What really happened until the lawsuit filed by his family was rejected by a military court? Could this be just the beginning of a huge scandal that will shake the world of K-pop? This shocking court decision leaves many questions unanswered for BTS fans. Jungkook is a figure full of talent and has a clean image. Since his debut with BTS, he not only stole the hearts of millions of fans around the world, but also built a reputation as an outstanding singer and performer. However, now Jungkook's fragrant name is entangled in an unexpected legal case involving his family. A lawsuit filed by Jungkook's family against the authorities regarding the postponement of the draft process suggested for Jungkook ended in a surprising rejection. Many are wondering, what really happened behind this decision? What do we not want to know about the ongoing legal and military proceedings? Why did this lawsuit end in such a controversial, even world-shattering decision? In the ongoing trial, Jungkook's family filed a lawsuit against the decision made by the military to postpone Jungkook's conscription, despite medical reasons and certain conditions submitted by the family and BTS management. Some legal experts and observers of the K-pop industry were shocked when the military court dismissed the lawsuit. In recent months, the entertainment world has become increasingly caught in the tension between military obligations to celebrities and their rights as individuals. Even BTS fans who had been supportive of Jungkook began to split. Is this the right way to handle idols? And is our legal system so harsh against those who fight for the state? This is a question that stirs many minds. However, the question now is, what happens after this decision? Can this damage Jungkook's image, or will it have a negative impact on all BTS members who are serving in the military? While BTS fans are trying to understand Jungkook's feelings, the entertainment world is also speculating about the long-term impact it could have. This court decision not only shook the entertainment world of South Korea, but also caused a great reaction at the international level. The plaintiffs argue that the medical reasons presented are not strong enough to avoid military duty, which directly adds to the tension in the relationship between celebrities and their obligations as citizens. On the other hand, Jungkook's family still insists that medical reasons should be seriously considered, given the psychological conditions that had affected Jungkook. Of course, the entertainment community is now questioning the court's decision not to grant relief to Jungkook. Some critics even consider the court-martial unfair, given the huge influence Jungkook and BTS have had on South Korea's entertainment industry. Many consider this decision to be an act that led to the defamation of the image of Jungkook and even the entire BTS group. For loyal fans of Jungkook and BTS, this court decision adds to the wounds in their hearts. Not only the fans, but also many colleagues in the entertainment world who feel concerned. A source close to BTS management revealed that Jungkook himself was devastated by this decision. As an idol who has been known for his perseverance, the decision that required him to immediately undergo military service had a great emotional impact. Many fans felt helpless watching Jungkook and other BTS members being forced to temporarily part ways with them. How does Jungkook's family feel? Do they feel that this decision not only hurts the K-pop star but also harms them personally? A number of speculations began to emerge as to how Jungkook's family dealt with this controversial court decision, which touched not only Jungkook's professional life, but also his personal life. If this decision makes a world of difference, are we at the end of an era in the K-pop industry that will change forever? Some experts predict that this decision may be a reflection of the complicated relationship between the entertainment world and the increasingly questionable obligations of the state. Some even argue that this could be a major turning point for South Korean celebrities in facing increasingly complex social and legal challenges. However, one thing is certain. This decision has not only shaken Jungkook, but also the entire BTS and its fans around the world. Will this end up having a positive impact, or will it pave the way for new scandals that will continue to develop in the entertainment world? As time went on, speculation about the next steps Jungkook's family, or even Jungkook himself, continued to grow. Will they appeal against the court decision? Or Will they accept reality and look for ways to adjust to the situation at hand? One thing is for sure, the world of K-pop is now on the verge of a major change. Whatever happens, this court decision has become a turning point that will be remembered throughout the history of the South Korean entertainment industry. What is really going on behind this decision? Will we see Jungkook and BTS deal with it in unexpected ways? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the world of K-pop will never be the same after this event. The court-martial is not the end of Jungkook's long journey, but it could be the beginning of a major scandal that will shake the world of K-pop entertainment. For BTS fans, this decision is certainly difficult news to accept. However, on the other hand, many also see it as a big warning that no one can escape the obligations of the state, even for a star of Jungkook's class. Could this be the beginning of a revolution in the world of K-pop? Or is this just a controversial episode that will soon be forgotten? For sure, this event will continue to be the subject of discussion for many years to come. As time went on, the big questions about the court's decision rejecting the Jungkook family's lawsuit grew larger. Many were surprised, confused, and even disappointed by the decision. What is really going on behind the scenes of this military tribunal? What was the compelling reason that led the court to reject the Jungkook family's so profound plea? According to some sources, there are various technical and legal reasons involved, but what is clear is that this decision opens up more room for speculation that was never imagined before. Many argue that the medical reasons put forward by Jungkook's family are not convincing enough for the court. Given that Jungkook is a celebrity with many fans around the world, some people think that there is impartiality or even manipulation in the legal process that takes place. Many felt that Jungkook's popularity and influence in the entertainment industry should have been further considered in this case, but this was not accepted by the court. Now a big question hangs in the air. Will this decision undermine Jungkook and BTS's careers or strengthen them as symbols of struggle? Some observers say that this decision could be the catalyst for BTS's rise in the public eye, but others argue that this could be a severe blow to the group that has gone global. Some K-pop critics have revealed that the entertainment industry surrounding BTS is often unprepared for the fact that their idols have to serve national obligations. Not a few fans feel angry and unfair when they see their idols treated like this, regardless of various other factors they face in their personal and professional lives. However, it could also be a time for Jungkook and BTS to show the world that they are more than just celebrities. They are individuals who have the strength to endure under pressure, even when the world seems to want to destroy them. After all this drama and controversy, Jungkook will probably emerge stronger than ever, with a higher fighting spirit to continue his career despite being hindered by military obligations.